Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to download TikTok video without watermark. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And after that, just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And from here, if you want to download any saved video you want, you can download. And if you want to just let me show you saving this video. So I'm just if I want to download this video, all I need to do is just to keep tapped on it and save the video in here. Tap on save video. And if I don't want to, I just want to remove the TikTok label. So what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna use my phone's inbuilt screen recorder, or you can also use any screen recorder from Play Store. And once you run it on the background, you just can download any video you want without your TikTok's label. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.